Alright, what is up, guys and girls of YouTube? I am Justin Omoe, and today, well, technically yesterday, or was it today? Yesterday marked a good day for FL Studio. For that, we got an update yet again. And by the way, lifetime free updates. Of the updates in 20.7, there was one that really stuck out like a sore thumb and made me question, like, what the hell? It's weird because they put it as the first thing in the updates. I feel like it's so crazy. It's like intimidating. I'm talking about the MIDI scripting part. So if you haven't seen the update video, go ahead and watch it out because they show everything there, but they don't really go in detail on how to use, specific things such as the scripting. And today, me knowing nothing about scripting or whatever they're using this Python code stuff, I figured, could an idiot like me who don't know scripting do something with it? Sorry if I sound too loud. I can't really hear myself because I have my speakers muted. If I were to unmute it here and talk, that happens. So what I do plan on doing is actually figuring out the scripting so I could press a button on my Akai Fire device. It doesn't have to be Akai Fire, it could be whatever, but I got the Akai Fire right here. I want to press a button so that when the song plays, or maybe if I could even hit the play button itself, but if I hit the play button or a button, it will mute my microphone. And if I hit another button or possibly the same button, it could go straight back up. So I'll be able to talk to y'all right now like how I am. And then when I hit the button, the mic mutes and then the song plays because, I want to hear it on the speakers while I'm talking to y'all. Otherwise it'll sound something like this or even That's my objectives for today. By the way, hit the thumbs up if you like this video or if you want to like the video and support your boy. Subscribe if you are new and want to see some dumb stuff. Maybe if I'm, smart enough, we could go over this whole Python stuff together and learn about the scripting. So if you have no idea, I'm over here reading about the scripting here in the manual. This is my first time into it. The MIDI scripting, the basics video, it's like a couple minute video. It doesn't really help. It just shows an example. So yeah, I hope this video could be somewhat helpful. So first off, it's important that we read this whole MIDI scripting stuff itself. MIDI scriptive allowed a native support for any MIDI controller, script a piece of Python code stored in plain text file. FL Studio uses to translate commands between the controller and FL Studio. So I know a little bit about this, being that, I used to do like some shiny hunting and this depth counter thing. It uses like a file name just to read and input numbers. This communication could go both directions. Controller can access features in FL Studio code, and FL can send data back to the controllers, such as lighting pads and track name, which is cool because if you have used the Novation Launchpad for light up shows, this might be an easier way to deal with things or have fun with it. You don't need to install anything except for FL Studio 20.7. Oh god. Couple of notes. Script hierarchy, as FL Studio handles the MIDI function. This allows you to write simple scripts. Okay, hopefully that is simple for us. I don't know what it said there. All I know is simple scripts. Hopefully it's simple. And then, oh god, scripts are complex. So why would they put that first in the update video? I have no clue. Maybe they're trying to attract the hardware manufacturers first or something. But let's try something as simple as cutting insert 5's volume to 0. Could we try that? Let's try that out. So view script output. This is my first thing. Oh wait, hold on. The actual first thing to do is to set up the script thing, right? We go into MIDI settings. Here's my FL Fire. And controller type, we're going to change that into, I don't see my script here. Maybe I got to adjust something in the script first. Or maybe I'm just dumb and can't see it. Yeah, let's try the script first, the script part. So script output, where you at? Is there a shortcut key for this? No. Maybe they'll make one in the future. Command to execute edit script. I think this is the title of what we want. Mute insert 5. That's gonna be the title. Or no, instead mute microphone. Let's try that. Okay, cool. What next? Oh. Yeah, it looks like we're a little bit in trouble real quick, you know what I'm saying? How do I do this? Reloop? What are all these? Tascam? Alright, I'm already lost. I don't know what the heck to do. Check location scripts. User data folder. By the way, this is no way a tutorial video. Just me doing this. Okay, so I'm gonna go to my user data folder because it says something about user data folder. So I'm gonna, try and figure that out. I don't have an image line here. So I'm kind of screwed a little bit. Okay, it looks like I don't even have user data. Would be nice if ImageLine or FL Studio would make videos on the scripting basics at least, because I'm confused. Where am I even trying to go? I'm in my C drive, users. I'm going to me. That's my name. What in the hell is everything? He goes to documents, then ImageLine, which I don't have. Where's my image line? Oh my god. Yeah, I literally have no user data. What is this? File, user data folder. Here we go. Why the hell? User data is not the place where you set samples. Okay. So apparently it's in my storage drive. Okay. Image line folder. Okay. I didn't even know I put this here, I'm gonna be honest. So about 15 minutes later, I finally find this file. Okay. Next is to go into settings. No, hold on. FL Studio. Okay. Settings. Hardware. Alright, this is where this guy, like, I think he just makes his own folder here. I'm gonna just name it My Mixer Controller. Okay. I'm gonna name it that. And it looks like I'm supposed to put a Python file in there or something like that. I don't know. I'm gonna keep this minimized real quick. I'm gonna close this out. Sure, I'm gonna close that one out too. We'll go to View, Script Output again, MIDI settings, and let me refresh this because maybe that'll help. It didn't help. Maybe I gotta close and reopen this. Give me a second. I think I'm a BS it and just like straight up create a file called script py or something like that. They said they could make it like a text document, but I don't have an RTF or nothing here. Let's try a text document. I'm gonna call this mute mic.py. That probably didn't work anything out, but we're gonna see. Nothing. Do I just drag and drop a piece of paper in here? Whoop. Nope. It's in the notepad. It's .py. Hashtag or pound symbol. Name my mixer control script URL. What is this piece right here? I'm gonna hit enter. What? Yo, it's been almost 20 minutes. And I don't know. I haven't even done anything. I'm sweating on this damn jacket. I just want to let y'all know. Oh, here you go. Hold on. I'm going to just download this thing and edit it. Alright, so thank you for that. Okay, so I'm going to cheat this. I'm just going to extract this here. Okay, so I think I was on the road to it. It's just this is not a PY file. And let me exclude a space. No, the type is still not a PY file. How do I change the type? Is it like, do I have to download the Python thing? And did they lie to me? .py. It's not a PY. So how do I get a PY file from scratch? I don't get that. All I know is that it's been past 20 minutes. We got the PY file. And now we should see it in here. Refresh. There it is. Okay, we got it. Now what the hell's an interpreter? Okay, I don't know what the interpreter is interpreting. Oh God. Okay, so let's try it. Let's just try it out now that we got this file in here finally. Or should I say file? What is going on? Okay, there's this specific thing here. Let's just change this to 0%. Oh crap, hold on. Oh God. My cousin knows about scripting, but not this. I think he knows Java. He made a game. I don't know if that helps anything. What if I change this to like 5 to 5? Yo, I'm not coming back after this. I am not coming back after this. I'm just letting y'all know. I am letting y'all know. So I'm gonna try this range. Insert 5 to 5. I'm set this to 75. I believe 75 is the 100% or reset. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna hit save. All right, so 48 and 50. I just realized my Akai Fire is not even lit up. Like, it's not working like a regular computer. Like, it's like, let me just show y'all. So look at this. The thing is off. Well, pressing works apparently. Yeah. So let's try and find that file, the number 48 and 50. I'm just swiping until something happens. Okay, it looks like we're getting closer. 54, of course, 54, 55. All right, you know what? Let's just try 54 and 55. So let's go here. 54. And this one's 55. Hit save. Minimize. Reload this thing. 54. Wait, what's the 32 about now? What the hell's 32? Okay, the second number is like pressure, the velocity. Interpreter, can you help me? Could you interpret something? Let's just try 1 through 50 again. Did I change this? I feel like I did change it, but I also feel like I'm right. Okay. Oh, look, we got something. We got something. Apparently, it's not 0% something. Oh my God, 30 minutes, almost 30 minutes, and we finally got movement. I feel like just doing that the whole time. Okay, so why is this not at 0% though? Let's change this to 75. Let's change this to 0. I think we gotta put 2 zeros. Gotta reload the script. Hey, we got it. We got it harder every day. 1.4 though. It's not 0. How do I copy that value? Let me just go right here real quick and let's try 80. And I don't know if we need to put that. I feel like this part here is just notes for ourselves or whoever is developing. Reload. Hey, we got it. Okay. The range now. All this work for muting the mic, which I could easily do. Like, how do I change the range 1 to 50? So I'm assuming, let's do our little math, quick maths. Yeah, okay. So you ain't changing all of them. I feel like they said all the mixers in the video, so you false advertisement. So is that why the range wasn't working? Let's change this to 6. Same thing here. 6. Control save. Reload. One more step, boy. One more step. I don't feel like I accomplished something though. I feel like I'm still not gonna be able to use this program after this. So I'm doing 4 to 6. So in the middle is 5. Okay, let's do 5 to 6. I don't know why the 6 doesn't move, but we take those. Word to Smash Bros. Melee. We take those. Victory, son! You hear me now? You hear me now? You hear me now? Now my Akai Fire has use. No, I'm just playing. I love Akai Fire. I wonder if I'm able to copy the Akai Fire's hardware. Look, now I'm turning into a hardware developer, huh? Oh, wait, no. Okay, apparently there's no folder for the Akai Fire here. Maybe there is one somewhere else, but whatever. The final test, guys and girls, is, basically this. Yo. Yeah. Look, Mom, no hands. No hands. No hands. Yo. Yeah, we did it. We did it. Okay, I feel accomplished. I feel a little happy about that. But I still don't know anything about scripting. This is not easy at all. My biggest question is, why would they put this first? This is really confusing. Like, honestly, I have no idea what the heck is going on. And I don't even know where that sine wave thing is that they had in the script. Maybe they did that somewhere else. But, oh my God. That's all I could say. But we did it. I found mute the mic. Maybe I can create the tutorial. All in all, I feel like I accomplished something today. That being the mic. I don't feel like I learned anything really. All I feel like is it's similar to like opening a computer and disconnecting everything, cleaning it, and putting it back. That's how I feel. I don't understand the schematics of what is going on. I wish FL Studio or ImageLine could do at least an introduction to scripting. That way, people like me won't try and wing it. I have absolutely zero idea as to how to teach this. And I know some of y'all developers in ImageLine all came up through, learning it yourselves. So I feel like y'all would be a better teacher for this case. But we did it. We muted our mic. So now if I play a song, which I should do, we're going to see this example. Let me go ahead and So, the ultimate test. I'm going to go ahead and mute myself, hit play, talk, so forth. I think I did this right. So, yeah. I'm talking, I could hear myself, which is all right. Did I screw up? All right. So, damn it. I just realized. Oh, man. Okay, so I'm talking right here. Dang, man, this got no purpose. Okay, the good thing about this is that when I do, videos on YouTube or whatever, I can mute the mic with one button there. So it might be a fail that the speakers are on, and I'm trying to test it with speakers for what you call it, loops. But yeah, okay. This might not have been a waste of time after all. But let's try it out. I'm gonna go ahead and stop talking. I'm gonna hit play, and yeah. And just like that, I'm back. You can hear me again easily, and you didn't have to hear me through the video or through the song when I was playing it. Okay, it's a win. Thank you guys and girls for watching. Let me know what your thoughts is on this, because this is not as easy as I thought it would have been. I still don't know what the heck I did. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button if you like the video, and subscribe if you want to stick along, see more stupidness, and maybe just maybe y'all understand the scripting thing better and do a little bit of shows or light shows or whatever, because this is crazy. But with that being said, it's your boy Justin Omoe. Peace. I'm out. And please have yourselves a damn good one. Shout out to ImageLine, by the way. Got some giveaways coming on, you know what I'm saying?